again. My nose is blocked. I also can't breathe well. My eyes are itchy too. This is so annoying. Again. It's allergic. Why me? Every single day, every single week. I can breathe. My nose is blocked. My eyes are itchy. I'm tired of this allergy. My allergic again. Maybe I should drink some warm water. I hope this is help me a little bit. Mom, do you have warm water?
Yes, I have. This is.
Oh, this is warm water.
Yes.
Yes. Can I have it?
Yes.
Yes, I have. Thank you, Mom.
Yes, okay.
That was relaxing. This warm water is help me a little bit, but my allergic is still coming back. I need some better solution than this. Yo, Mom, thank you for this warm water. My allergic is a little bit better. Thank you, Mom.
Okay, get
Yes.
well soon, Lauda.
Okay, thank you, Mom.
Yes.
Oh, Mom. Mom. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Do you know where is Lauda? Because I wanna take a video for English homework with him.
Seriously?
Yes.
Yes, it is in the room, but the looks unwell.
In the room?
Yes.
Unwell?
Yes.
Lauda. Assalamualaikum, Lauda. Hey, Lauda. What happened with you?
No, son, I think my allergic is bad, bro. I feel bad.
Oh my God. What the reason you're allergic coming back?
I think today the weather is so cold, and this morning my cat is sleeping in my chest, so I inhale this fur, and my allergic is bad.
Oh my God, you have a problem with your eyes and your nose.
Yes, my nose is blocked, and my eyes are itchy. It is serious allergy, bro. I feel bad.
I think before I come here, my mom brought me some medicine.
Oh, really?
Wait.
Wow.
Yes,
Is that medicine is gonna work?
I hope. Cetirizine.
Cetirizine.
Yes.
So, what is a cetirizine, son?
Okay. Cetirizine is an antihistamine. It works by blocking a chemical called histamine. When your body reacts to something that causes an allergy, it releases histamine. This chemical causes symptoms such as sneezing, itching, and runny nose,
I see.
water eyes,
Just like me.
and skin rashes. By blocking histamine, cetirizine helps reduce the symptoms and makes you feel more comfortable. And then, if your allergy is triggered by cold weather, cold air,
Like me.
cold water, or cold object,
Mm.
cetirizine may help reducing itches, hives, redness, and swelling. However, it does not cure the allergy. It only helps control the symptoms while the medicine is working.
So soon, is that any side effect of this medicine, cetirizine?
Yeah. Like other medicine, cetirizine may cause some side effect. The most common one is feeling sleepy or tired. Some people may also have a dry mouth or a headache. If you feel sleepy after taking cetirizine, you should avoid driving or operating heavy machines.
Oh, I see, I see.
Also, if your allergy symptoms become very serious, such as difficulty breathing or severe swelling, you should seek medical help immediately. Yes.
So, should I drink this medicine?
Yes, you should try because I think the cetirizine can help you feel better.
Yeah, I hope so. I think I will drink it. So.
Okay, this is you should drink this medicine because you can feel better after drink this.
Alright, so I think I should try this medicine.
Yes. After this, I think you can sleep.
Yes, I hope so, and I hope I feel better. Thank you, sir. I think I need to sleep a few hours,
Yes, okay.
and when I wake up and I feel better, I think we can make a English video.
Okay, Lauda, get well soon.
Okay. Can I sleep, Lon?
Yes, of course.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, I will hear.
Wow, I feel better. My nose is not stuffy anymore. My eyes is not itchy. And I feel better at breathing. Wow, this is work. I feel better.
Hey, Lauda, how?
I think the cetirizine is work, bro.
Yes.
I think my nose is not stuffy anymore. My eyes is not itchy anymore. I can breathe well, bro.
Your allergy is clear?
Clear, almost clear. I think when my allergy is come back again, I can drink this cetirizine. It's work on me, bro.
Yes. You should have a stock of cetirizine in your room.
I see, I see. It's a good idea. And I think I should too bring the cetirizine with me whenever I go.
Yes.
So, because the cetirizine is work on me, bro.
For clear your allergy.
Yes, I think. So, I feel better right now. Should we
You can take a video English
Yes,
homework.
yes. Let's go.
Right
Let's
now?
go.
Let's
go.
Let's go. Hello guys.
So, my name is Indrawan Lauda Mulyatama.
My name Muhammad Sunibatullah.
If you have some allergic with me, like itchy eyes or maybe stuffy nose or maybe even more, you can breathe normally. You can use
Cetirizine, because cetirizine have ingredients antihistamine. Antihistamine can block histamine from the allergy. If you have some allergic with Lauda, you should stock cetirizine in your room, and then you should bring cetirizine everywhere you go.
Yes, that's all for me. We apologize if we have any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.